looking for a house where we can all gather. Something that's big enough for 20 people, but also cozy enough and comfortable enough that if there's just 3 or 4, it won't feel too big.
They want to stay pretty close to $250,000. All right, we've done several houses on this street, and it's sort of our, like, easy-selling street.
We're gonna show them 2 very different houses, but I think they're both gonna make them feel all the Laurel nostalgia.
Everybody loves the Raymond house.
Well, I really do.
Well said.
This house was built around 1900. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, about 2,000 square feet, and it's listed for $50,000.
Do you like anything about it? Do you not like anything?
Well, I love that window with all the little detail around the top. That's really cute.
It's a shame it doesn't have a front porch.
It seems pretty scary to take this on.
I don't know about like a full historic restoration of a 120-year-old home. Like, that might be more than we're willing to take on.
Okay, step real
What's happening
wide right here.
What is this?
But then look, I mean, it really does have beautiful features. See? All of the
Like the moldings, those are original, yeah? Like back from 1900, you think?
Yeah.
I think it is a pine burl, meaning that they would have gone to the sawmills and hand-selected these pieces.
Wow.
And then these floors, these are 1.25 inch wide, white oak. You know, 1900, these floors in Laurel would have cost a fortune.
Wow. I especially like the hole in the door.
And then I want to take your temperature on one thing. I think the right thing for this house would be to come back with new wallpaper.
Oh,
Wallpaper is so pretty.
So we get rid of this door that goes into a bedroom and we move it so you have access to it from the dining room. And that'll give you a little bit more wall space for furniture or shelving, because right now there's not a whole lot of it in this room. We could refinish these original wood floors, repair the French doors, sheetrock on the ceilings, new wallpaper, and a new light fixture, then clean up the fireplace. You don't want this fireplace to be a standout. You want everything around it
Oh, I love that.
to be the standout.
Oh my gosh.
do this.
Oh,
Okay.
What is going on in here? This almost isn't a kitchen.
It's
just
just
a
a room.
I mean, even with
true.
no counters in here now, it still feels confined.
It's a tough layout.
Yeah, I can't wait to see what you come up with.
Well, the doors are complicating everything. So, that little butler's pantry that we just zigzagged through, that would become a hallway. We need to move this doorway over so that it aligns with the dining room doorway.
Okay.
And to the right would be a door to what is right now a pantry, but that could become a laundry room. We lose this door, and then we can have kitchen countertops and cabinet space covering this wall, fridge, and then we let it end right here and make this the opening that goes into the breakfast room, so we again have all of our doorways aligned. We could have a built-in banquette in there, then a peninsula bar right there, more cabinets, more counter space. We'll put in a much bigger window with the sink centered right under it. And you could have your range where that doorway is and keep it light in here. This room is smaller, so I think to go with a lighter, brighter color palette in here would feel right.
From the dining room to the back wall,
Yeah.
we're at $70,000. And then there's another 40 that would go towards electrical, plumbing, you know, things that you don't see. All of that together comes in around $250,000 with the purchase price.
Okay.
We've still got another house to go look at, too.
Oh, then it's true.
Sort of a Camp Paulsen. All right, well, let's talk about the Stringer house.
It is campy.
Cabin-esque.
It's got 6 acres in the pine. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, about 1,700 square feet, and it's listed for $165,000.
Great.
Come check it out.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, completely different. So, you know,
Okay.
have a fresh palette for this, okay?
We're in a cabin.
What do you think?
I like it. I like how it's open.
The ceilings are not high enough for Tommy.
I know.
Tommy, don't jump up and touch the ceiling.
No, but it
Please don't.
is. No, it's more open plan, which lends
true.
itself more. A lot of people are around and in the house.
But it's very 1991 in here, and I know that. So if you clean off the popcorn texture, and if you lost that ceiling fan and you had recessed lighting in here, then the ceilings would feel a little higher. And then in the corner, that would be the dining area. We'd create long banquette seating for the dining table with chairs on the other side, so you'd have room for everyone when you're all here together. In this kitchen, delete everything you see. We would want to turn that window into a door, which would shift to the right. And we'll talk more about where that door leads later, but we would lose this door on the left, so you could have an L-shaped kitchen that wraps that corner, oven on that wall. We arrange and hood vent. You'd have a sink under the window, a fridge, and then imagine a really big island right here. And you could have a beautiful dark stone countertop that feels like soapstone. The big problem I see is that it's 2 bedrooms. You need a lot more than that. So let's go out this door in the kitchen, and we'll talk about that door we were gonna add.
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna all make sense. I'm just wondering, when you guys are here, you wouldn't need this huge 2-car garage so much as you would need 2 more bedrooms. Oh my goodness. Yes.
Let's paint this picture.
You ready?
Okay.
You would walk in through a door right here.
Oh, yeah, that's right. From the kitchen.
Okay. Yeah. That door doesn't exist. That door is dead to us. So we come in through a door here, and you're in a hallway. And there's a door that goes to this bedroom. You could have 2 queen-size beds. It's so big. A door that goes to that bedroom, and then a wall between them. Where there are garage doors now, you would have windows. We would put a closet in each side for clothes and extra linens. And I think in this room, we could build custom bunk beds, probably 3 of them, which would sleep 6 people. So it would work almost like a hotel, a camp, and then you've still got those 2 bedrooms inside that would just have 1 bed each.
What's this gonna cost?
So this would be $40,000.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So this house, it's listed for $165. We feel very confident you can get it for $150.
All right.
All of the renovations would be $110,000, which would bring you all in at $260,000. So a little bit more than the Raymond house.
But we get 6 acres.
And 4 bedrooms. Yeah.
It would become an entirely different
different.
experience.
We're so glad y'all came.
Well, thanks
Yeah.
for having us.
Good to be here,
Yeah.
Have y'all made a decision on the house? I know we were going to talk more about it.
Oh, that.
Well, we've been having some discussions. We tried not
Yeah.
to like gang up, 2 on 1, but in the end, that's what happened.
If you ganged up, then
Yeah.
I bet I know what it is. Y'all are
Yeah.
getting the house in the country then, right?
No.
What?
We're getting the house in the city.
You are!
Yeah. Yeah.
How'd they sell you on it, Tommy?
Oh, yeah! There's a reason why we're the only 2 members of the wallpaper club. You gotta know what you're doing. You know? Restoring this house is a huge job. We're taking out things that we know won't mesh with the Victorian design, and then we're literally digging up the 1900s by uncovering the original wood floors in the kitchen that have been hiding under all that linoleum.
It's got a ceiling above it.
Yeah.
Can't really see it.
Erin, Katie.
The friend is contagious. How did you get roped into this?
I've kind of volunteered.
This is fun. So, why did you call us
Come
in
up
here?
with different,
To
like,
show you the ceiling.
What is that? Another suspended ceiling?
No, that's the ceiling. See, it's got crown already, like us.
I approve.
So today, we've already torn out the old butler's pantry. We've opened up the walls.
No more.
No more zigging and zagging.
Yeah.
2 more boards in, and then we can put the header in, right?
yeah.
Now you'll have the door from the dining room to the pantry to the kitchen all lined up, and then the doors from that bedroom to the laundry room will be lined up. On the exterior of the house, the porch is going to be the biggest change.
It changes the personality, it changes the style. It's going to change literally everything about the way people have thought of this house.
It'll change the way the Paulsen family lives at this house.
It will. That Victorian railing is gonna look so good on this porch. Ooh, it's gonna be pretty.
This front porch is back where it belongs. We aren't zigzagging through the butler's pantry anymore. The kitchen ceiling is living up to its highest potential.
This house is starting to look like it did a long time ago.
All the finishing touches are happening.
There's so much going on. The backsplash tile is going in.
Door hardware.
Yes, beautiful doorknobs with engraved floral patterns and lots of electrical work. Chandeliers are going up, painting some trim. It's just a lot to
all
get
the-
us to the end.
It's been a real busy couple months on this block. Your neighbors added to the family
Yeah, did
since
they
you
have
were
a
here
baby?
last. Hank was born.
Hank is here.
Oh,
Hank.
congratulations.
But this is the second best addition. Welcome to the Paulsen house.
Jeez.
Oh my God.
I mean, that's stunning. Look at
Look at the
I
trim.
can't believe that.
Erin drew the railing, and then I robbed pieces of it to make the rest of the details.
It's beautiful.
God, I mean, that is absolute. It's astonishing what y'all have done.
The porch is everything.
It's
Everything.
gorgeous. It needed the porch. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at the wallpaper. Look at the detail. It's so serene in here. Serene.
These are the original floors?
And the trim. It's so gorgeous.
Trim in the whole room is the original, except we added crown, and everything is new, but it looks original.
These French doors, I mean, that,
They're gorgeous.
I'm gonna parade in and out of those many times.
I can't believe this room.
Oh my gosh.
Did you
Okay.
make this?
Yes. This is the world's most complicated dinner table.
This is something very, very special, though.
It's a star.
It is a star.
It's not just a star, though.
Yes.
It's made out of what?
This is from one of the courts from the University of Mississippi.
What?
Yeah.
They replaced the floors.
That's, you know, that tugs at my emotions.
It's all maple. The whole thing, you know, the court is the star in the center, but then the pedestal is maple.
Awesome.
It's beautiful.
Look at that.
I love it when a dining room is in the heart of a house. You make it feel like the most intimate and cozy space in the house. And you do that with saturated color and dark color.
Oh my gosh.
And then again, the trim is so beautiful in this room. It's an
Oh my
original.
gosh.
Thank you for not asking us to paint it. We've got light color in the entry and in the kitchen, so letting this room be kind of the warm embrace of the house felt right to me. So, do you remember how the kitchen was before?
Oh my gosh. Look, y'all. Oh, this is not the same kitchen.
Wow.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
I'm overwhelmed. This is a grand slam. This is just fantastic.
Oh my gosh, the color.
So while we did replace almost everything, we kept the ceiling.
I love it. I love the little imperfections because that just lets you see the age of the home. It's not a brand new home. It's not.
It's real.
Yeah.
You know, when you see historic houses, the upper cabinets typically could be either glass or some sort of carved design. So we did vented doors because that felt appropriate for this house and the age.
I love it.
The floors are amazing. This was under all the linoleum?
Yeah.
It's so rustic. I love it. What about this? There used to be a big water heater tank or
Yep.
something.
Now you have banquette seating that was custom built in. There's drawers underneath for storage.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
There was a wall here,
Yeah.
wall there. We took all that out. We put in a beam. But then over here, there was a door that went into this room.
Yeah.
Okay, so we closed that off so that we could have a run of cabinets here.
Right. Oh, this makes
Gosh, it
so much
feels
more sense.
so good in here.
It's a great little breakfast room.
It's a little
It is.
City nook. It's adorable.
This is truly beyond what I expected.
Yeah.
Sincerely.
It's amazing.
That's what,
This is
I want to
amazing.
know how long it's going to be. Like, who's going to stay first?
I was just, no, wait a
And then
minute. I
how
was
long
thinking
will
it was
be
me.
before
Yeah, I
one of
wanna
you
come.
moves here permanently.
Can you wrap your brain around what this used to be and what it's become? Because I've been here every day and I can't quite fathom it. It's just kind of surreal.
This is unbelievable. We're sitting on the corner of the porch that didn't used to be here.
Didn't exist.
This beautiful new house.
Yeah, you brought it back to life. You really did.